Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. Today in this video, we are going to see about debugging and error handling in C programming. So in this video, we will explore techniques and best practices to help you write robust and maintainable code. Let's dive in. So before that, first we will have a quick recap of what we have done in our previous video. So in our last video, we have seen what are unions, what are the operations we can perform on unions, what is the syntax of unions, and the best practices and the pitfalls of unions. So if you have not watched our last video, I please recommend you to watch it before continuing forward, because it is a precious, that is a useful video, and it will help you gain enough knowledge of how you can use unions. It is a extended part of structures only, but please watch what are unions first before moving forward. Move on towards the table of contents. So in this video, we are going to see about the common errors in C. Second, which are the debugging techniques. Third, how to write a robust code. And fourth, the best practices and coding standards. So let's move forward. So our first topic, which is common errors in C. So let's start by identifying common errors in C. Syntax errors like missing semicolons or mismatched braces are quite frequent. Logical errors occurs when the program logic is incorrect, such as faulty conditions. The third is the runtime errors. So the runtime errors like the division error or invalid memory access are also common. The fourth type of error is the compilation error. So this compilation error occurs from the undefined references or incompatible types, while semantic errors involve the misuse of operators of data type usage. Now we have forward debugging techniques. So to debug your code, you can use several techniques. Print statements with printf can help trace the flow and values in your code. Code reviews with peers can identify potential issues. Static code analysis tools like CPP check can find bugs before execution. Unit testing ensures that individual functions work correctly. And the rubber duck debugging involves explaining your code logic to an inanimate objects to find the flaw. So next is writing robust code. So to write a robust code involves several practices. Always check the written value of function, especially input-output operations. Use assert to catch programming errors early. Test your code with extreme values and edge cases. Properly manage resources by allocating and deallocating memory, handling file pointers, and ensuring all resources are released. Practice defensive programming by writing code that anticipates and safely handles potential errors. Now we have our next topic, which is the best practices and coding standards. So the following best practices and coding standards is crucial for writing maintainable code. Ensure code readability by using meaningful variable names, consistent indentation, and white space. Comment and document your code to explain complex logic and document functions with description of parameters and written values. The third is modular programming. So practice modular programming by breaking down your code into smaller reusable functions or modules. Fourth one is code optimization techniques. So optimize your code for performance by avoiding unnecessary computation, using efficient algorithms, and considering memory usage. So to summarize, we have covered some common errors, debugging techniques, writing robust code, and best practices for code readability. commenting, modular programming, and optimization too. So now let's open the floor for any questions you might have. So please comment down below if you have any kind of doubts or queries. So thank you for joining this tutorial on debugging and error handling in C programming. I hope you found it informative and useful. Feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need assistance. Happy coding! Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.